Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got a great fall cake recipe for you today that I think you're really gonna like. I'll let you guess what the flavor base might be. Well, it's pumpkin. Pumpkins everywhere this time of year. I love it. My kids like it. Our family likes it. So we're gonna make a delicious pumpkin cake. And my Aunt Peggy, who you can't see, is standing right over there to watch me and guide me, critique me, and help me if I make any mistakes. So Aunt Peggy, if you see me do something wrong, you just speak up, okay?
I'll be right there before you know it.
And there she is. I love my Aunt Peggy. And the people that follow my mom and our family, all of you know about our beautiful Aunt Peggy from Albany, who taught my mom and my whole family so much about cooking. If it weren't for my Aunt Peggy, I probably wouldn't be standing right here before you right now. So let's get started. And again, we're gonna make a recipe that just doesn't break the bank. And whenever we're making cake recipes, I don't mind going with a box cake mix. This is yellow cake mix. This is what we're going to start with. The bag adds a little extra flavor if you want to leave that in there. Kidding. Get rid of that, y'all. All right, so cake mix, some melted butter, just a little bit of butter, 1 egg. I've got 3 here, so we'll add 1 and we'll come back for the other 3 in just a few minutes. Ooh, get back in there. Egg whites. Don't go anywhere. We're going to go ahead and beat this. So while I'm mixing this, why don't we go ahead and take a break and we'll come right back and press our mixture into our pre-greased 13 by 9 inch casserole dish. All right, so Aunt Peggy already had to correct me. I said that I was making a cake. I'm not making a cake. These are pumpkin squares, and I'm making the crust that goes into the dish first. So to our butter, egg, and cake mix, I'm going to add some chopped pecans, and I'm just going to fold them in so as not to beat them all to pieces with the mixer. So I'll fold them in and get them sort of incorporated in our crust, and then we'll press it into our 13 by 9 inch dish. Okay, here we go. Got our crust into the pan, and I'm using my clean, washed hands to press it in. So while I'm doing the boring work, why don't we take another break, and we'll come right back and make the delicious nest that goes on top. So our base looks really good. That's the cake mix, melted butter, and chopped pecans. And the pecans are nice and thoroughly mixed throughout, and it's pressed into the bottom of the pan that we have pre-greased. Okay, so now I'm gonna beat my cream cheese. Got 8 ounces of cream cheese here. And around here, if you forget, Teresa can attest, she's a smart cookie. If you forget to let your cream cheese sit out on the countertop for a little while, just set it out in that Georgia sun for a few minutes. Even in the fall, it is a nice balmy 80 degrees here today, which is quite beautiful. And that cream cheese is softened before you know it. So our cream cheese and 3 eggs. And nobody wants to listen to this mixer run for too long, so while I mix this, we'll take another break. Great. So there's my cream cheese and my 3 eggs mixed together. And now to that, I'm going to add our pumpkin and our pumpkin spice until that's nice and creamy. And then we'll add our confectioner sugar. So there's going to be a lot of mixing going on, so I'm going to spare you all that. We'll take a break. Aunt Peggy, so far so good. Does it look like I'm doing it right?
Fabulous. It looks all too good almost.
That's good enough for me. Great. That powdered sugar has given my pumpkin and pumpkin spice mixture just a perfect texture. So now we're going to pour that over our crust. Tastes like fall. Yeah, that's perfect. It's spreading on its own. Not too thick, not too thick, not too thick or not too thin. Aunt Peggy, do you like pumpkin and pumpkin spice?
Yes. I even like the color of the pumpkin.
Me too. Makes me happy. I think this is my favorite time of year.
Yes.
Make sure I get every bit of it, or Mama will appear out of nowhere and start whipping my legs.
Oh, tell me about it.
She's faster than she looks. All right. Yeah, you don't want to waste. We try not to waste. Try not to throw anything away if we can help it. Okay. There we go. It's not going to take much because the texture is really just kind of spread out on its own. But make sure that it's even. That looks really nice. This is a great recipe for fall. It's inexpensive. Your kids will love it. Your guests will love it. All right, so into the oven at 350. And I think it's probably going to be about 25 to 30 minutes. So let's go to the oven and then we'll come right back. Creamy pumpkin bars. They smell so good. Gosh, it smells great. The only thing it's missing is just a little bit of cinnamon. So we'll sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. This flavor, pumpkin and pumpkin spice, it just begs for cinnamon. So we'll give it what it wants. And I'm going to let it cool a little bit. So we're not going to see me taste it, unfortunately, because it needs to definitely cool. It's not, come on, cinnamon. This is a dangerous game when you're playing with the cinnamon like this. It could just pour out all over the place or be a bear to get. There it comes. Come on. Don't be a bear. There it goes. Just a little bit of cinnamon. Gosh, it smells so good. And the cinnamon hitting that hot, fresh cake mix right on top, coming out of the oven. Woo, smells so good. Okay, so that is the creamy pumpkin bars. The bottom has got a beautiful crust with pecans in it. And the top is wonderful pumpkin and pumpkin spice with a little cinnamon sprinkled on it. I think you're going to love it. It's perfect for fall. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.